Abusia me ne okasai chama Wontumi boy eye the morning show host Oheneba Nana Asiedu edidi Ashanti regional minister temu anche say all describing no air tag ne say we a comedian sebe voice ni bi kro use ye na abusia mintimi enka our platform we so na wo chemu a regional minister ni am wo ya nkrofo ebo na baso ebi kire say wo ya de nyina no sebe sorry to say stupid things be and all ye abusia it is alleged when you na make it is alleged obi na eka mesremo ai na what kind some na ma wutim say papa ne bu afu pa e wone nsem a wo ka ho na say Ashanti regional minister obi a chese wo bu adwuma e dia ma ND sama yokuo enne chese Ashanti region ha na Oheneba Nana Asiedu e betena TV so aka kire amansa nyina say owura yi wo ye comedian owura yi ne ma wo ye no ase yen hyeda ehu animu ani akire abusuya nyabotre ne yenwura mu yenti Oheneba Nana Asiedu nsem a wo ka ewo decide
you know to as regional minister no Amoakohene no have the guts say uko Facebook ko kire say we are one people with one destiny now we bo mabaso for what they have done ayewura ebunyu so wakasa afa ho I question you the people of Ashanti region me catch them before election 2024 me catch them na mo antie say you got trouble my NDC especially when John Mahama knows say onsa ma emepe bibia free e wo bio odi ni man panin fie na ne wako enimtie bua o mde bebu yen no eno makofa this comedian na betan yeso nenya ono sabe impredious nipa bia na omoti kroma no mu a omuntimi kom enti se wura wodie no okwaka no mu na ahurasim ebe defending no
eden
medie ma kwada nyamla mbechi obi nyansa mbechi obi de onye
na so akade obeka yi
some of us know sani maybe ebesisi tiabom koko and look at what they are doing and if you know the kind of conversation that you are ebeye emaka sana obe voicing it out wa you will not stupidly go on Facebook and do this thing until now sir Ashanti Youth Association one when omu de MPP wa abamu na omu ye bibi whether deliberate or not in Ashanti when you kwani eti omu nka no where are they omu why na no kra mpo a obi na susu oye obi na SEO se onu de no se osusu se Wontumi akase ana onkaye no na obi ani hu dance die no we saw people sa omu na ase so na ya asantefo tie nyai ma omu no munye de omeye we de enye se obi susu ye o onu na akira me yehu na hu dance die ho where are you not talking and now no here na no ada se bi baaye na what was say o man be before any campaign was anti-mamu bio e be say asem na wo bi susu say ensusu ye o nye say simple na wo no fa asem no say eye no kure na ni bre no wo de ne no sa wo here no what is he saying to the regional minister Amoakohene ye where is he
Sunday asantima ho do dia e le won sorry
where is he sa wo here no wo here Oheneba why is he not talking
maybe other platform also
yedi bibia your politics and you ntumi ni no krema ye hu de maka na maka menim yankai ebesi yes and your politics you see their agenda against the people in this region. And yet one share ya over funny say a uncle crabby name masem. Na saa de no mo ye no sampa no nyansa sema wo mu ne sei nyansa sema e wo mu ne sei asem yiti you see ne tofo bomu ina ne sei enye yewura ana akwa bibio abusua mienu ana moti sampa ho ana monya mo asem ana mo motena ho no mo se mo hwehwe ga na nyina no baby amodi asem ne ba ebetwa aye menhia enye yewura ne kofrom zo mo fa asem ne mama na menka o afade mienu nyana mo se mo wagidie sonko ewo yewura mu santema yewura mu fisa waye bida ana sampa no soso no eke asantemai ansa asen ana mo abusua ne mienu nyina na mo twenda awre manso no mo tamasam de bre yewura nanka asam nanka onima ne mpaya na ayede ya baako efa baako e ka nokre ana yewura so de ade a wodi di na henia baako pe en nokredie enti waka asam no en waka nokre wom ana wo so wonti ase efa baako so monti ase ana motam de court ana bebe yewura de to ye no
Abusua eti what the inference here Oheneba na Asiedu Wontumi TV and I say war fire Dr. Frank Amoakohene. Now I don't know, may I see say for Dr. Frank Amoakohene, whether you are an NPP member, whether you are an NDC member, nobody on this earth and obey me I can say Adia Frank Amoakohene yeno a juma or yeno enye juma pa. Yet Kromha, we also a juma honorable Samuel Semensa ye. Yankasa Sante for na near question. See you anything, nothing goes on. Oh, Asante Memuha, Yankasa kind. Sometimes as a young ye hypocrite, I will never be home. Dr. Frank Amoakohene, this is a guy, a numero, and a juda sumo, and a po, how much you, anywhere, any place. You see him working. Tell me a juma or room, a shed a juma seno. When he took office, no, and war ye up and down, no. Then we thought some maybe a dear juma man for frontier. But why ye from day one up till now, and the African warrior na kesi. Anything be or then Sabeka, anything be or man I just say oh ye piano, we bash him. Anything at all. I'm a cohen yes, 100 say oh ye piano. You get people talking. It's I don't know. I am a problem. They say, is it grounds na ya na one and microphone pay and coffee person or better than armchair distant minister. But under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bayeno, there is nothing like being an armchair minister, especially when you are in Ashanti region, the land of Otumfuo or Penswo. Say to Nyamkasi asase so obeye amche. You see, e maybe a twam na bia na enipa bi mekans enipa bi emfa maybe in quote respect Emma Otumfo nti na bia na bi madane amche ministers. But Amoakohene ye obabunu. Check the ministers. When he age. Enti what at all den ye ente say wako disika bi wako wieska bi wo ya de boni bi ye ente bi da. Ade bi opete se ye criticizing bia no e ye dwuma pa wo ye enema wo ye e na opete se ye criticizing no e wo ho. You can have your opinion, I can have my opinion. You can have yours, I can have mine. But this is what I see. This is what I see. Eti abusua eno eye Oheneba na Asiedu ne nsema wo de beto emontene so eno no. Eti on that note na yesre honorable minister ya na watwa ani so abehwe Asante Mampon ai minister ndi wudi pa but watwa ani ebehwe Mampon so a yani ebeje ho abusua yakra ho.